Okay guys, I see the boat is drifting. Yeah, need to figure it out what's happening. Okay guys, that's us. We're dragging the boat at the anchor. It was really close to shore, sitting basically ashore. Nobody's on the boat. Hopefully there is no damage to the hull. Yeah, we pulled the boat. No, my one's still the same position, like luckily. But I see like it's getting close. Something weird, you know. Maybe he's like nobody's here, or like shit happens. So there is no basically anchor. This is a chain, and yeah. And here is a local guard. They will, guys, where do you want? Oh, police is coming. Okay, there is no anchor. Anchor is gone. We're just helping out. Okay. Just wait, the police is coming. I'm at the control of the boat. Another guy is pulling the boat. We are pulling the boat to the marina. Security came and they told us the best way just to pull it outside to the marina. This is my dinghy. At least we were able to grab it in a good time. So it didn't hit the rock. I wanna double check if there is no water or anything like that. This looks like he's okay. There's nobody inside. Just to make sure. Yeah, there's nobody inside. The computer is on. Some documents, some paperwork. Ashtray. Saw this boat sitting in the anchor like a week or so, especially with this name. It's quite visible name. You see, it's an old school rudder, so it's a manual steering, no any autopilot. I mean, it'll be not that easy to cross the Atlantic, but it does the job. Right, we got the port marineros changed, assisting us, helping to bring the boat alongside. Alfredo, Italian guy, he left. He's coming tonight for a glass of wine. Hopefully we're gonna get some good conversation. Yeah, that's shit happens. It's basically not the anchor, it's a chain. The chain is totally broke. boats sometimes, but I think we are lucky that we came in time. So it didn't crash on the rock. I say every time I'm going ashore, leaving my boat at the anchor, I'm not worried, but you know, when nobody is on the boat, you're still thinking about it, you know. And this is a situation where the owner will come anchor. I think that's the lady. I saw her a couple days ago, and she will be quite surprised. There is no boat, and hopefully she will be able to find her boat. Has no damage. Hopefully she's alright. Guys, that's the end of the successful operation. Just arrived with the dinghy. So the police authorities also came, and they took a copy of my passport and details, and they thank you for helping them out. And yeah, what I can say, the sailing community is one of the best communities in the world. So people are always helping each other. Sailors are the greatest people. No matter what kind of boat it is. Of course, we are not talking about these mega yachts, but who knows? Who knows? Definitely at sea. There's some difficult moments that you need a help, and you will get a help from the people who is surrounded in your area. And luckily the boat is not damaged. The diver went down to inspect the boat, and looks like there is no damage. And wishing good luck to the owner, and hopefully she will fix her chain and anchor. She will find her anchor. And guys, thank you for watching me. Please subscribe, thumb up, and hopefully to see you soon on my channel. Bye.